Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to contact a third-party seller on Amazon. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, you make sure you like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell so that you won't be missing out videos like this. So let's get into the video. Okay, let's say you want to purchase this memory card or whatsoever. So choose it, click on it, that's the product. So at the right hand side you are going to see sold by. So this is the name of the person here, that is the name of the seller. So after that you simply click on what, ask a question. So guys, you are going to say that's an item for sale, so you click on it. Okay, if it is the item, simply choose it, or if you have something else you can simply click on what, something else. From here you now click, these are the various options you see. That's the product details, returning policy, shipping. So I'm going to click on what, others, because I want to contact the seller directly. From here now you can simply attach any document you want to attach, or you can write any text. Let's say I need your help. So once you are done with in writing whatsoever you want to write, or you can attach any file. Let's say this. That's it. After that you simply click on what, send. So guys, that is actually the way you contact a third-party seller in Amazon. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.